my friends. This is Dr. John Michael Salvato with BarefootMillionaireSecrets.com. You know, we're sitting here today enjoying another beautiful day, and I wanted to share with you just, the most important thing I can offer you to begin your week, and that is to recognize that everything that's happening to you today, everything you experience, is the results of what you've been thinking for the last 6 weeks. The things that come into your life today are a matter of your focus. And that focus will determine the trajectory of your success or your failure. And so my recommendation to you today isn't to focus on the things that you don't like, but to focus on the potential that you have before you to make changes, just as we do every single day with the folks who come to us and ask us to help them change the trajectory of their lives. If you change your focus, you change your experience. And if you change your experience, you literally change the world. So get out there and make it a great week. Remember, keep your focus positive. Remember that you've got in your hands the greatest potential of all, and that's the potential to change your thinking and change your experience. This is Dr. John Michael Salvato. Again, if you wish to reach me, you can go ahead and do that at DreamTeam@BarefootMillionaireSecrets.com, or stop by and see us at BarefootMillionaireSecrets.com on the web. We'll talk to you soon.